Hi everyone, welcome once again to my channel, and I'm here in it as usual. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 4 tips that you can follow to accomplish a task to the best of it, because task accomplishment itself is one way of improving one's self-esteem and increasing the confidence levels. Take an example. If you plan for something and you do it to completion, or you accomplish it, you feel so fulfilled. So I want to give you the 4 tips that you can use to accomplish a given task so that you improve your self-esteem by a certain percentage, or you improve it as it should be. And the tip number 1 is planning. Make sure you make a plan for the tasks that you want to accomplish, or the things that you want to work on, because if you have a plan, you are going to do everything that it's supposed to be, because you are going to allocate time to those tasks. And to make sure that you meet your plan, you have to respect time, because assuming you had planned for 5 or 6 tasks in a day, and maybe you only have like 6 hours, each task is going to be given 1 hour. So please make sure that you respect time during the process of accomplishing tasks. And to follow this plan correctly, make sure that you do or you work on your tasks in an ascending order. You start with the most pressing task as you go on to the next one, but in a reducing order. That is when you accomplish your tasks with no pressure at all. That is tip number 1. Tip number 2, consider the environment in which you're working on your tasks from. This environment is both mental and physical environment. In the first place, make sure that you clear your mental deck. Make sure that your mental deck is clear of everything. Make sure that you are focused on one thing, because if you have drifted attention, you are not going to do a task to the accomplishment that you would want it to be, because you're going to be doing one task and then they call you for another one, or you think of some other thing, and then you find your attention drifting each and every time. So make sure you have a clear mental day so that you focus on one thing. The second one, the physical environment. When you are trying to accomplish a task to the best of your abilities, make sure that you are in a noise-free environment where nothing distracts you or noise from other people. So make sure you are in a noise-free environment where you can focus on one thing and you accomplish it. The third thing, please avoid multitasking. Very many people deceive themselves, actually I inclusive, that they can do multitasking, like doing various tasks at a go. But that is only possible to people who are perfectionists. Otherwise, if you're not going to manage this, or else you're going to do it but you produce substandard work. So avoid multitasking and produce standard work, because people who focus on multitasking, in any case, they are always on pressure. They think that time is gone, or like time is fast spent, which is even not the case, because we always have a lot of time, especially when we have planned. When you plan and follow your plan, you of course have to have enough time. So relax, do your task in the allocated time, or in a reasonable amount of time, so that you produce standard work. Because I don't think it would be good for you to take a very short time and produce substandard work, than instead taking your good time, you produce your work quality and standard, which is highly marketable, both to yourself, in any case if you are a business person, and to the public, because it's from what you produce that people respect you and perceive you. So if you produce substandard work, it means that your perception in public is not going to be nice. But if you produce standard work, everyone is going to admire you. They want to look at your work, or they want to have your work, or they even want to work with you, because you take your time to produce something with which you are confident and which is desirable by very many people. So take your time, produce your work to the best of your abilities, rather than just rushing, touching here and there, and you produce substandard work. And then the next one to that is avoid negative thoughts. Negative thoughts are a great setback. If you have negative thoughts in anything you are doing, I can assure you, you won't be able to produce the work to the best of your abilities. Because everything you put hands on, your mind is going to tell you, no, you're not going to do this to the perfection. You're not going to do this to your best. Why? Because maybe you lack this resource, or maybe you lack this, or maybe the time is not enough, maybe you're not confident enough. Like, let's say you're trying to shoot this video, or like I'm trying to shoot it, and then the mind tells me, no, you're not going to make it, sir. Why? Because maybe the camera you're using is not nice, or maybe people won't like it, or maybe you have just started, or maybe you yourself, you're not enough to do this, maybe you're not respected enough. No, it's not about anything. Remember, because in the previous video, I remember I told you, it's not about anything like that. It's about how you feel. So please do away with negative thoughts. Focus on one thing: task accomplishment. Give it your best, give it your time, give it the best of your creativity, give it the best of your research, everything, so that you produce it to the best of your abilities. Otherwise, you're not going to produce good work if you just keep the negative thoughts. Maybe something I would also like to share with you on these negative thoughts. Assume that they are just bugs in the head, and then focus on killing each bug you come across. Because if you do that, it means that every negative thought that comes in your head, you're going to step on it and kill it and move on. And by doing that, you'll find progress, and cool progress. You find yourself progressing, you move on from step to step, and before you realize, you are at the end. So please fight the negative thoughts and do your work to the best. Remember that as you're doing your work, you're trying to accomplish your tasks in everyday life, much as you're living your own life. So many people are looking up to you, and so many people are watching you. So mind your work, mind how you do things, because every accomplishment you get matters. If you do things haphazardly, nobody is going to come to you, is going to be friends with you. So please make sure you do things to the best, and by doing this, you're building character. Remember that character is not just built in one day. It is through a repeated process of doing the same thing time and again. That is when you build good character, or any character. That is how you build character. So please try and build great and nice character, and you do that by accomplishing tasks. And you follow those four tips, you'll accomplish tasks to the best. They might seem not to be at the same level, maybe from one person to another. Maybe one can say the most important in this is respecting time. Some other person can say it is planning, and the other one will tell you planning and time respect is the same. Or some other person might tell you focusing, but you won't focus on something you've not planned for. So to my view, they are all equal. So you have to follow all of them so that you produce something nice, so that you make a nice accomplishment that will be admirable by so many people, if not all people. Develop power and character and strength of overcoming naysayers, or what we call doubters. So please make sure you have that strength. You can overcome doubters. You know what you want, and you always go for it. Avoid negative thoughts, and please do your work to your best. I hope this helps, and I thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next video. But in case you've not subscribed to my channel, dare tweet that button down below, so that the next video I bring in, you don't miss out. Goodbye.